Find the least value k such that 3025 times k is a perfect cube. Now, to be a perfect cube, powers must be multiples of 3. Okay, so let's see what is 3025 in its prime index notation. So you divide by 5 here, you get 605. Divide by 5 here again, 121. Divide by 11 is 11. Divide by another 11 is 1. So at the end, 3025 is equals to 5 square times 11 square, and we need to push these powers up to a multiple of 3. Why must we push it up? Because we are multiplying 3025 by a certain number. So when you multiply, the powers get bigger. Okay, so the next highest power that is a multiple of 3 is 5 cubed. For this guy, it's 11 cubed. So how do you go from 5 square to 5 cubed? One fast way you can do this is to just take 5 cubed divided by 5 square. You need to multiply by another 5. Okay, how do you go from 11 cubed? Okay, how do you go from 11 square to 11 cubed? You just take 11 cubed divided by 11 square, you get 11. So you times by another 11. So basically, this is what you need k to be, 5 and another 11. So therefore, k is 5 times 11, k is 55. Okay, so what you can do to check right now, checking. Okay, you can take 3025 easy, check 3025 times k is 55. You get 166,375. Okay, now you try and cube root this. 166,375. 3, hang on for a while, 3025 times 55, 166,375. You can cube root this. Okay, do a cube root. 166,375. So you can do a very quick check. Okay, power 1 divided by 3. You get a nice number here, which means that this number is a perfect cube. Okay, so anyways, final answer for this question, k is 55.